We are back to the grind. आज फिर से निकल हैं WWF के सेशन से निकले. I'm currently in the HBL ATM that's in front of the Rumi hostels, and from here I will get some money since I ran out of money last night, and then we shall go to get sessions. Today we have to go to Chak Shahzad and I-8, but first we go straight to the WWF office, and from there we'll find out. We have made it to the WWF office. The green driver was actually very nice today. This being the Pakistan Academy of Sciences, that being the WWF office. अंदर गया हूँ, हाजिरी लगाई, and now I will be going directly to I-8 with the company car. Ah yes, jump cuts. I'm by not to go. I wait for the car. It'll come in a few seconds. And there we go. We have the company car, and we'll go. We are here in I-8 in the Mayfair campus. This time we don't have to take a Kareem to go to the next venue. कल थोड़ा the car wasn't available, so I was just dropped off. From here onwards, the car will take me to Chak Shahzad. From there, I can either go back to the office or go back to Nast. I might even go to a Markaz. Once I drop off ho jaunga, then I'll take a Kareem from there to Nast before I go and buy some stuff. Maybe some lassi, because the Kareem driver this morning was talking a lot about it. So yeah. But I wanna be alone. Here, and I have to give my fixed presentation. We're in stage 3 in DL. We were supposed to give it in person, but since I'm here, they're accommodating us by making us give it in DL. So I'll excuse myself from this session and then I'll go for this. Since the kids are taking a while, I am sitting on baby chairs. Second session today. This is pretty cute. Now we are in Chak Shahzad and we have set it up. Okay. She knows me and she thinks that I'm always I went to the second session. I had to pick a call in the middle, and the principal called me to her office. And why did you pick a call in the middle? Why do I always get called to the principal's office when I'm in school? Okay, they gave me juice. This was nice. Anyway, I shall be going, since the reason I got a call was that my boss wanted me to be back early. So मैं यहाँ से directly जाऊँगा अभी, maybe to a sector or Markaz, or maybe directly to Nast. Let's see if the guards accept my excuse today. As fixed, I'll use that as an excuse. I consider this pretty adventurous. I got dropped off in front of the Jinnah Convention Center because I thought if I get dropped off in the middle of the road, I can get an Uber, and it's better than getting dropped off at the office. I'll go straight to Nast from here. Update: my Uber ride cancelled on me. Also, there's supposed to be a solar eclipse today. Why am I standing on one foot in the middle of the road?
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm gonna go and try to walk to this side, and then hopefully yahan se I'll get another Uber. I'm currently taking shade behind a sign. Oh, yaar, मैं Karachi में नहीं हूँ, लेकिन ये डरता है कि some person will come and snatch my phone from me. Also, I got an Uber. That guy is coming from G5, so he'll get over here and he's going to. She doesn't believe in me anymore. She doesn't believe in me anymore. Update for today: we are back in the library. मैंने गेट पे कल I went out through the official way, and gate पंगे हुए थे. आज I just lied and said मैं fix के लिए आ रहा हूँ. So the guard was like yellow token and I went inside. I have my token. They don't have my cards or anything. You know what? Let's just show them this token. I hope that if I ever do upload this, it's after my exams, after I'm officially graduated. So even have my token. And so now I'm back over here with these two. Wes is currently playing League of Legends. He's playing Valorant. He's playing Valorant. He's just playing. Guys, texting. She's just trying to find her vaccination slip so she can plan a sneak out. Anyway, that is enough updates for today. She said she's through it. Drama. कहाँ है ये है पीछे Hamza. We met in this area a week ago and वहाँ ये Mubin, he was COVID but now he's not COVID.
You know, you can try flipping your camera.
I can't flip my camera, that's the
How
problem.
about you double tap this?
You can't. We're trying our best. This is the problem with OnePlus 70.
Nice phone, man.
Show me
I
your
have the
phone.
same one.
Show me your phone. अच्छा हमला दिख रहा आगे या नहीं वो देखो Mubin इधर आओ. Let's try this. Let's try fitting them in our hands.
Can I get them? I can't even see.
We got them. They're in. So tiny. We are in Kaibo. हमने ना यहाँ बोला है कि उसको नींबू पानी नहीं पसंद क्योंकि it's too salty. काली नमक.
Lemon iced tea instead.
What do you want?
He said I want lemon iced tea instead.
She
Hi,
says
guys.
she wants lemon iced tea.
Who are we talking
Burger.
Who are we talking to?
This is going to be a potential vlog of my last 7 days that I will make into a video.
Hi guys. Jafar annoys me a lot. If I'm watching this in the future and Jafar still annoying me, why are you still friends with him?
And if you're not friends with me and I become super famous for this vlog, then you should be friends with me. Famous log, we have perks.
Hello.
इसने कुछ बोल दिया पहली दफ़ा vlog में माशाल्लाह. So her first words. Now her second words and अभी नहीं आएंगे और. Mubin फिर से गायब हो गया. He does not have COVID. He's just out to get our orders. Since when he was missing, we didn't have anyone to manslave for us, but now we do. वो धूप चली गई है. Actually नहीं eclipse हो रहा है. It's about to be an eclipse today. We'll see what happens. हमने फिर से try कर रही है. Mubin, you're here, right? Did you miss us?
I did.
He did. वहाँ देखो. अब पी रही है. कोई देर पहले पर complain कर रही थी. I want lemon iced tea, but now she's enjoying it. Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it, guys.
It's an acquired taste. Like me, I'm an acquired taste. She has yet to acquire it yet.
Nice.
Baby. हेलो बॉयज़, अभी हम लाइब्रेरी के अंदर फिर से मिल गए हैं जवेरी आई ड्रेस से एज पर हर प्रेजेंट आई ड्रेस. ये मुबीनुद्दीन कोविड के आए हैं. ये मुबीन मेरे सामने फ्रेंड जोन हुआ है. मुबीन मेरे सामने भाई जोन हुआ है मज़े से. आई लव दिस. कॉट ऑन टेप मुबीन भाई जोन. भाई जोन दिखाओ.
Cotton camera.
देखिए मुबीन मेरे सामने भाई जोन हुआ जवेरिया. मुबीन क्या तासर होता है आपको बीइंग भाई जोन?
तुम हो चिट्टे.
ये मुबीन को हो कह रही है. मुबीन तुमने क्या कहा?
हो चिट्टे.
हो चिट्टे पंजाबी हो.
This is a public service announcement that I love Hamna and only Hamna, not Jafar, not Javeria, not Mubin. I only love Hamna. And this is
Also, Aisha gives one of the best hugs in the world. He wants hugs.
but it's only reserved for you. No one else can have it.
How do you turn this
How do you turn it off?
इतनी अच्छी एनर्जी थी इस ब्लॉग की.
I'm bullying you.
Also an alternate name for Mubin's personality.
take this over. Okay, we have Jav Horia with us. Jav Horia. This is Jafar. Jafor. पता है ये दोनों एक कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं, एक कुर्सी पे। पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो फिजिक्स कैसी है मेरी, तो एक कुर्सी के लिए छोटी पड़ जाती है। I cannot flip the camera, but then there are these two Padhako juniors.
You guys know she is part of the Sayyid gang. Are you part of the Sayyid gang?
Yes, sir.
Sayyid Jafar? याद नहीं मुझे। दूर हो तुम शिया हो।
नहीं, ये मेरा भाई है।
Second time, twice in a row. What's that? मैं तो सॉरी 2 था 2 विक्ट्री नहीं विन विक्ट्री। आपने कोई सीरियस बात करनी नहीं? Caught on tape.
She fell for her.
तुम हल से जज नहीं करती हो मतलब? हाँ? तुम तुम्हारी शक्ल बनी तो हल तुम जज कर
यार मैं नहीं करती, मुझे मैं किसी को जज नहीं करती।
With that we end this.
क्या बोला तुमने?
अब इसमें
रिकॉर्डेड है, मैं जाके
दो चलो फिर मैं ब्लॉग एंड करता हूँ।
इमेजिन अगर मैं 10 साल बाद देखूंगी।
ये मुझे रुलाने लगी है, मैं भी रोने लगा हूँ। सो गुड बाय एवरीवन, गुड बाय।
कितनी चूंटियाँ? 5 चूंटियाँ लाइन में जा रही है, ठीक है। सबसे आगे वाली चूंटी कभी मेरे पीछे जा रहा है, ठीक है। सबसे पीछे वाली कभी मेरे आगे जा रहा है, लेकिन सेंटर वाली कभी कि मेरे आगे जा रहा है, मेरे पीछे जा रहा है। कैसे?
सब बीच वाली कहती है मेरे आगे जा रहा है, पीछे जा रहा है।
टोटल कितने हैं?
5। सबसे सेंटर वाली कहती है मेरे आगे जा रहा है, मेरे पीछे जा रहा है। कैसे?
Naveen, are you proud of yourself? देखो कि बेहतर है इसका
चॉकलेट।
यार तुम ना बोलो ना।
अच्छा एक आइसक्रीम वाला होता है, ठीक है, बोलना अच्छा से छान आ जाए जो कमिट सुसाइड, तो जब वो गिरा तो वो क्या बोलता है? मैं कौन हूँ? अच्छा एक कौवा होता है, वो ना धूप के नीचे मुझे भूल गया चॉकलेट।
बताओ आइस
मुझे सोच
मैं तो बता रहा हूँ।
एक कौवा होता है, वो ना उड़ा होता है ना, बहुत तेज धूप होती है तो
क्यों हंस रही हो?
क्यों फिल्म कह रहे हो? तो बूढ़ा होता है तो वो नीचे बहुत धूप होती है और नीचे देखते हैं उसका साया होता है, लेकिन उसमें ना सिर्फ अपना एक ही पर नजर आता है। क्यों?
पता है अगर ये सुपरमैन है तो ये क्या है?
सुपरमैन रिटर्न।
This is Jafari.
Hi guys.
I knew you had a low IQ, but I didn't know how to open doors.
It has gotten so low on the size. Hot. I know I am literally sweating even right now. हैं? Oh हाँ ये भी ये fuck तुम्हें पता है इतना
Yes, of course you can. Talk to my vlog.
Yeah, I've had a terrible day. It's getting even worse now. ये फिर भी पुराने से नए वाला क्या होगा? नए वाले का बता दो, मैंने लाइट वालों को खत्म कर दिया। हाँ ऐसा। Yeah, they're gay.
No, I'm not.
इस तुम्हारी एम्बेसी कौन सी है तुम्हें जाना है?
मैंने जाना अच्छा क्या?
Why am
So, there's this really gay couple in front of me. This is there's a cutie Honda. There's Naveen and there's इनके मास्टर्स की एडमिशंस की बात हो रही है. They're on my wallpaper. I'm just gonna watch play actually. We're back to them being gay. Just watch. Now, I'll give you a better view. Say hi to the vlog. You're not showing us. Say hi to the vlog.
Take a photo of us.
I'm not. Are they gay?
Turn off the vlog and take photos of us.
मैं एक ब्लॉग टाइप वीडियो बना रहा हूँ ग्रेजुएशन के लिए उसमें all the special people are slowly popping into it. Say something nice.
It's gonna be 1 hour long.
It better be. कुछ भी बोल. मुबीन के बारे में प्रैंक करा his roommate as his ex.
यार मुबीन ने 3 साल मुझे बहुत तंग किया, बस यही है ना।
3 साल चूतिया में कौन सा तंग किया? कमरा साफ मैं किया करता था।
ये सॉरी
बोलना
अच्छा वो नहीं है लैंग्वेज वाला सीन नहीं है।
नहीं इजी सीन है.
मोहिन गांडू ने मेरा दिमाग खराब कराया है 3 साल। सुबह पहली दफा मुझे याद है, कोई पहली या दूसरी सुबह थी हमारी, ठीक है। उठे एक बंदा मुझे उठाते है अराउंड 6, कहता है मुझे हाँ आज जॉगिंग के लिए जाते हैं।
You did all of that in your career college. Why would you do this again?
लेकिन हरामी ने आके सुबह 6 बजे मुझे जगा रहा है, जॉगिंग के लिए जाता है। खैर
उसके अलावा नस्ट के बारे में अच्छी मेमोरीज हैं except for मुबीन.
यार
Is मुबीन a good memory of Nust?
he is
ईगो साइड में कर देती है।
मुबीन तुम खुश हो?
मारूंगा
मुबीन
किसी
तुम
को।
खुश हो?
यस आई एम।
सैडली हाँ नो होमो
नो होमो लो की दो।
सुना है आप और मैं ज़राज फैमिली थी हमारी.
yeah we are neighbors.
We were neighbors, yes.
We are neighbors.
I left Zaraj.
You left Zaraj.
हाँ, देखा
We
इसको
were
पता है
neighbors.
कैसा नेबर है जानता भी नहीं है.
अगले दिन ये निकल गया था पता है।
That was my last day, the day I dropped. That was my last day in Zaraj. देखो कितना emotional हो गया.
No, not really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
कोई अच्छी memories बता अमीन के बारे में.
Amin is my love.
Is he also your life? Will you miss him after graduating?
No, we meet quite
After
a lot.
graduating.
Yeah.
What if he leaves the city?
Then I shall try to miss him.
देखो he will try.
तो मिस गया।
Do you miss Mubin?
No,
Next.
we meet a lot. हम मिल लेते हैं।
मुबीन को
तो तुम
पहले
लोगों का
मुबीन को अपनी
जाने का
बर्थ
क्या
पता है.
बोला?
हम जा रहे हैं बस.
कब जा रहे हो?
28th. Sorry, 21st.
जा रहे हो?
Yes.
वॉकिंग जा रहे हो?
Yes.
Nice job.
Nice. Anyway, ये मुश्तबा था. अब हम जा रहे हैं. कुछ बोलना है आपने एंडिंग के लिए? Live long and prosper.
मार्गला की चाय बहुत ही असर।
ये मुश्तबा के पीछे क्या है?
मेरे साइड में है।
हमारे साइड पे क्या है?
These are polar opposites right now.
तुम इतने खुश क्यों हो?
इधर एक मिनट इधर ये पिक्चर होगी।
ये वीडियो ही बन रही है.
एक मिनट सबर ऐसे
पिक्चर लेने से पहले पता है पिक्चर इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों होगी? मुबीन तुम बताओ.
तुम खुश रहो.
you how you are. You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
पिक्चर इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों होगी?
मूवी ने पिक्चर इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? I are victorious.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
ये जब होरिया की ट्रीट है.
Thank you.
हम थैंक यू कहेंगे फॉर गेटिंग इनटू TFP. ये आयशा साथ. ये कौन है?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
साडा.
What if I leave TFP and they'll be like, oh, Javiya to
We are in the library on the sofas listening to music in a library. कुछ दिन में आके रोकेंगे but it shuts down in a few minutes, so we're taking advantage of this.
I want you to walk up to some random dude वरना तुम उसको just add him in your vlog. Just random dude.
I will not do that. I am no. So you keep out.
My final few days in this. You want to make a vlog. Say something.
Let's see if I can do that. Here's an update. We tried. We both realized it would be weird. That's us being embarrassed. But
that is the end of today's vlog. How do you know that the bond with your friends is strong? He has my name written in the middle of his wallet. In fact, his name is printed. My name is engraved. What do you have to say about that, Mr. Mubinuddin Hamzai?
The bond is forever.
All of his
You're
euros.
just a whore who's on my wallet.
All of his euros go into me. What? Back in Mubin's room with Mubin for the first time.
Simp.
They're calling me Simp.
Simp.
Simp. Yeah. Emotional day. With this, tomorrow is last day of WWF, then we have 2 days till exams. And if you're counting it, maybe around 8 days to graduation. We'll see.